So what we got is the Milwaukee fuel mag drill M18. I think that's the kind of battery it uses. I'm not, a tool specialist, but I do use tools. So this is your magnetizer. So this will sit against the steel. Wear gloves. I will be wearing gloves. This is what you use to magnetize it. This is where your handle goes, and that handle is what you use to press. Let me zoom it out. This handle is what you use to press. So you'll be turning the handle and it will be driving this into whatever you're drilling with the bit. And there is oil pumps and fucking stuff like that to cool your bit. We're not going to be using those because I work for a cheap ass fucking outfit, and we're just going to be going slow. Still work. So here's what it's supposed to look like. Here's what it looks like, and as you can tell, it's because we are missing holes. So we're going to use the mag drill to make those holes, and I'm going to show you how this mag drill works. Okay, so let me stand to the side so I don't block what I'm doing. So to demagnetize, I'm going to grab this knob down here, twist it counterclockwise. That will demagnetize it. Now it's loose, and what we're going to do is we're going to clean all this shit off. All right, for the most part, doesn't have to be perfect. I like to make sure my point is close to the edge of the magnet. And then take and get your point close to where you're going to be drilling, and just go ahead and start to magnetize it. Give it one turn to magnetize. Drive your point towards your drilling point. See how close you are, and if you just kind of magnetize it, you should be able to kind of knock it around a little bit, get it close to where you want it, get all the shavings off the tip, because they'll kind of throw you off. And then once you're where you want to be, turn it, finish turning it clockwise to where it won't turn anymore, and then pull this up. And you can always just start and make sure you're where you want to be. We are where we want to be, so I'm going to go for it. And when you're drilling steel and thick, anything steel mainly, with press drills and mag drills, you don't want to put too much pressure, you don't want to push too fast and hard, and you want to have it on the slow setting, because if you go fast, friction creates heat, and the heat will burn your bit up a lot faster. I've been able to drill like 80 holes with this one bit without using oil. One more hole on this side, and then we'll go to the other side. So again, I'm gonna take counterclockwise. I try to not loosen it all the way if I still got another hole to drill, but I loosened it all the way anyway. And then remember, we get the point close and just start to magnetize it. Just do one turn, because then you can knock it around a little, get it to where you want it to be. Magnetize it all the way, check it, and we are where we want to be. And there you have it. We've got 4 mag drilled holes. This bit has drilled a ton of holes, so it takes a little bit to get her started. That's why I go easy, because you can get a lot out of a bit as long as you don't overwork it.